Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about how to set up Eclipse IDE on Windows machine. So to set up before setting up Eclipse IDE on Windows machine, let's understand what is the prerequisite that is needed. So it is needed like okay, you should have Java installed on your machine. So first, what you have to do, you have to just check whether the Java installed on your machine or not. It's very easy. You can just go to the command prompt and then you have to type Java space dash version, and if it comes with the Java version, whatever Java version, then you have some Java version installed on your machine. But if it comes with a, like Java is not recognized command, then that means you don't have Java installed on your machine. So you have to go ahead and install the Java on your Windows machine. For that you can refer my earlier video. So that's about the Java installation. Okay, so let's start downloading Eclipse IDE setup on your machine. So first, open web browser, whatever you have, like a Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. You can go ahead and open that. So once you open web browser, you have to go to the google.com, then Eclipse download, and you have to hit enter. So you will see the first search result is from the eclipse.org. That is the official website. So you have to go over there. So click on that and you will go to the next screen, which is eclipse.org/downloads. So here you have to download 64 bits. So click on that. So once you click on that, you will navigate to another page where you will get the server information from where this file is going to be downloaded. Okay, so this file is going to be downloaded from this server, and the file which is going to be downloaded with the name like this. So you have to search in your after downloading, you have to search this file in your downloads folder. So just click on this. I already have this file on my downloads, so I'm not going to do that. So just click on this, and here in the left corner you will get that message like okay, how it is going to be downloaded, like a downloading process. Once that complete, go to the downloads folder. So just go to the downloads folder, and here you are going to see this is my downloads folder, and here I am seeing this file. Okay, so just what you need to do, so if that file is there, that means you have successfully downloaded this file. So now start with the installation. So to start with the installation, you need to double click on this. Okay, so see, Eclipse installer started. It takes a couple of seconds, and see, now you are having Eclipse installer a window, okay, where you will have so many options, like what type of thing you have needed. So I need like we need, as a Java developers, we need Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So click on that. So on the next page you will see that okay, it has automatically recognized Java JDK from my machine or my Windows machine, and there is one installation folder comment which says okay, after installing Eclipse IDE, all the related files should go to this folder. Okay, and there is like okay, option whether you want to create a start menu entry or create a desktop shortcut. All these things will be here, and there is an install button download side. So you have to click on the install button. So let's click. I click on the install button, and now it will start the installing. Okay, it will say it take couple of seconds or a minutes. It depend on the server response. So now it's faster. So okay, and on the next page you will get a launch uh, button where you can launch Eclipse. So here see, installation completed successfully, and you have the launch, you have the launch button. So you can just click on this launch button to start with the Eclipse IDE. So now here you are on the first